and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is AJ and I post new videos every Thursday about baking and lifestyle. Today we have a special guest. My boyfriend Alex is here to help taste the S'mores Showdown cookies to see once and for all which one is the best. So, in front of you, you have a plate of 3 types of s'mores. This first one here is just a regular old plain s'mores.
Ooh.
I made it in the oven just to keep it fair here. I don't know about you, I'm a big fan of s'mores. Do you like s'mores?
This is going to be controversial, but I'm also a fan of s'mores.
Perfect. And we live in an apartment, so we don't really have an open fire. So the oven is what we've got. That's what we work with. So first up,
S'mores cheers.
normal s'mores.
Okay. S'more mold. Warm graham cracker, offset by warm marshmallow and warm chocolate. The sweet really complements the sweet.
I agree. And with these, I just stuck them under the broil for 3 minutes and out they came, ready to go. So there's our baseline s'more. Next up, we have the s'mores cookie number 1. And this cookie has the marshmallow and the chocolate in the cookie itself. So. And it does have graham cracker in the crust, but I don't know if that's coming through that much.
I'd say the presence of graham cracker is detectable. I have a great palate for individual components of the sweet, and I can say the graham cracker is a subtle, nuanced flavor included in the rich explosion of this cookie.
I will say with this one, the marshmallows pretty much just melted. If you want a detectable marshmallow, this is not the cookie for you. So, cookie number 3, we have the s'mores sandwich cookie. So this one has graham cracker and chocolate chip in the cookie, and then you broil a marshmallow on one half of the cookie and top it with the other half of the cookie. Cheers.
This is the best one.
This is really good. This is the most s'mores-like of the 2 cookies. And honestly, I kind of like it better than the s'mores itself.
So it's basically a cookie, a marshmallow, and a cookie. So cookie s'mores. I like it. You gotta call it a smoky.
A smoky? Okay, I think we have a winner. Smoky for the win. Smoky for the win. I am gonna have both cookie recipes after this segment, so you can watch either one or both if you want to and make them yourself. I think they're both winners, but this is definitely the best. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and click the little bell icon so you get notified every time I post a new video.
When does making a s'more become baking?
I think it becomes baking when you have to like mix ingredients together.
See, I think making a s'mores is baking because you're melting multiple ingredients. If making cookies is baking, then making a s'more is baking. Comment below. We hope this blows up into a really controversial internet thing. Is s'mores baking? Have an opinion. Talk about it.
Let us know.
I think we might need to do a quick Frankie check because I'm hearing some chomps.
That's a toy.
Okay. She's good at this.
If you did, please hit that thumbs up button and ring this. Oh gosh. Please hit that thumbs up button and ring this. Oh. Can't.
Smash that like button, nom the subscribe button, and watch this over and over again so you can perfect. Oh boy, I messed it up too.
Okay, I got it. I'm ready. Bye. That was it. You're done. You're free. You may
Yay!
eat the cookies now.
You took tiniest bites.